very steep, Curtis. We're on top here. I have no idea what all of this up here is. Somebody managed to bring a bunch of concrete up here. Oh, this would be like a house or something. It's a construction. Goes in. You wrap around here. It's like a bomb shelter almost. Whew. There you go. Looks like people come up here to paint. Lots of graffiti and tags. And it overlooks the valley. Yeah, I have no idea what this once was, but it looks like maybe there was a cover over everything, and that's what all these pillars are. That's my guess. So they're all around this thing, and that is it.